How to apply promo code in Lyft. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you have already downloaded the application Lyft on your device. If you don't have it, then you can head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open it. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. And then head over to Rewards. Inside Rewards, tap on See Rewards at the very bottom. It will be landing you on this page. Here you will be able to see the option where it says Add Promo Code. Click on it. This interface will pop up on your screen. In here, all you want to do is enter the promo code that you have it. Once you have entered, tap on Done. And if the promo code is valid, it will be applied successfully. And then you will receive the discount or the offers that you have it from promo code. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can apply promo code on Lyft app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.